Welcome to another video. We're going to see how you can install TikTok on your desktop computer or your PC. So to start with, just type Opera Mini. Download for PC on your Google search. Click the second result. On the Opera Mini site, click Download Now. The process is now ongoing. Open the file from the download folder. Click Accept and install. Click Accept. It's downloading. Let's wait a while for the download to be completed. Click Yes for Opera Mini to be pinned on your taskbar. Skip this, if you don't want Opera Mini to be your default browser. So, now we proceed to initiate the TikTok installation. Click Get Started. Click System for the browser theme or any of your choice. Click Next. Activate Block Ad. So this is where we're going to initiate TikTok. The plan is to use just TikTok. It would be only for TikTok. So we are going to deactivate the other social apps. You can choose others, but we're using it just for TikTok. So, click to activate TikTok. We don't intend to import any browser data, it's just for TikTok usage. Click Start Browsing. So as you can see, the TikTok tab is now on the left-hand corner of the Opera Mini browser. So to start with, just click it. So as you can see, we are now up and running with a TikTok account on PC. So this is it. So we are going to explore it further. We are going to log into our account now. Click this. Click this human symbol. You can opt for any method to log in. We are going to use email. Enter your email. So proceed and enter your password. So we are now officially logged in. This is the front page of the TikTok account. We have not uploaded any videos yet. So to add a profile picture, click on the red arrow button to proceed. For a profile picture, click the pencil symbol to upload it. Then you can click here, if you want to view General Videos. Click here, the home symbol. So we're going to continue to. Let's just explore the features further of TikTok on PC. So you click this home page symbol. You would see public videos on this home page when you click it. These are general videos on the TikTok page. Click the time symbol here, you would see other TikTok trending videos and others that are recommended. Then, this is another feature, here, where you people to follow, it give you instances for shortcuts keyboard usage to use. You can see celebrity the accounts. This is another button here. This button is similar to the previous one we clicked. It plays same role. The plus sign button is to access your TikTok studio. And whenever you want to return back to the home page, just click this sign at the top, it would take you back to the home page, where it was before, and to explore further. For the instances of our exploring, click minus symbol here. This is the negative sign symbol, is for notifications, the kite arrow symbol is for you to either go live or to see channels that are streaming live. It's the sign for going live on TikTok. With that sign you can see TikTok channels that are streaming live from your region. As you can see, these are channels that are streaming live.
Queen Sarah, what's up?
The last
Sonia
facial
Love,
symbol
you're
is for
welcome.
the profile section. That's the profile section. This is the profile section. We are going to see other settings. These are further settings on the app. Your videos would appear here when they are uploaded. So you click the positive sign when you want to upload videos. Click the plus sign, then click here. The video folder on your PC would display. Then proceed to upload your videos. Then to go back to your home page, just click this symbol at the top of your page. It would take you back. So that's how to install TikTok on your desktop computer or PC. Thank you for watching. Kindly like our videos, subscribe, and if you have any comments, comment below. Thank you.